Hello everyone, welcome to the Home Decor 20 channel. Do you feel that the bathroom at home feels cramped and uncomfortable? Relax, you are not alone. Many people face the same challenges, but don't worry, because in this video we will discuss various smart solutions to make your small bathroom feel more spacious and functional, without having to do major renovations. From choosing the right furniture, to design tricks that can optimize every inch of space, we will discuss everything thoroughly. So, make sure you keep watching until the end, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any other exciting tips. One smart and functional solution is over-the-toilet shelving, or shelves above the toilet. The shelf is designed to take advantage of the often overlooked vertical space above the toilet, providing additional storage that is not only practical, but also aesthetic. With a shelf above the toilet, you can store various items such as towels, toilet paper, toiletries, or even small decorations that add to the beauty of your bathroom. The shelf design is generally easy to install and does not require a lot of space, making it an ideal choice for bathrooms with limited dimensions. In addition to their functionality, these shelves can also come in a variety of designs and materials, from wood, which gives a natural feel, to metal or steel, which gives a modern, minimalist touch. You can choose shelves with multiple levels or simpler shelves, depending on your needs and bathroom decoration style. With over-the-toilet shelving, your bathroom not only becomes more organized, but also appears neater and more orderly. It's a smart storage solution that optimizes space without sacrificing comfort or style. Floating shelves are now a popular choice in interior design, including in bathrooms. This shelf offers a modern and minimalist look without reducing the functionality of the space. With a design that appears to float on the wall, floating shelves give the impression of a more spacious and organized space. In the bathroom, floating shelves function as practical storage for various items, such as towels, soap, cosmetics, or other bath accessories. By placing these shelves in strategic areas, you can optimize vertical space without taking up much floor space, keeping the bathroom clean and tidy. Additionally, floating shelves in the bathroom provide the opportunity to add decorative elements, such as small plants, aromatherapy candles, or small pieces of art, to give the space a personal touch. Choosing materials that are resistant to moisture, such as waterproof wood or metal, ensures that this shelf is durable and long-lasting even when exposed to water vapor and damp conditions in the bathroom. One practical solution for organizing things in the bathroom is to use an under-sink organizer or organizer under the sink. The area under the sink is often a neglected place and is crowded with various cleaning products, towels, soap, or other toiletries. With an under-sink organizer, you can optimize this limited space to store important items neatly and easily accessible. These organizers come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from hanging shelves to drawers or tiered shelving systems that let you access items at the bottom more easily. Under-sink organizers help separate items by category, such as beauty products, cleaning tools, and larger toiletries. Additionally, its compact and efficient design helps reduce clutter and makes the bathroom look more organized. Apart from providing benefits in terms of functionality, under-sink organizers are also a smart solution for keeping the bathroom clean. With more organized storage, you can easily find the items you need without having to destroy the compactness of the room. That way, your bathroom will not only look neat, but also feel more spacious and comfortable to use. Towel racks and hooks are essential bathroom accessories that combine functionality and style. They offer a practical solution for keeping towels organized, dry, and within reach. A towel rack typically provides a horizontal bar where towels can be hung, allowing them to air out after use. This is ideal for larger bathrooms with ample wall space. With multiple bars or a single long one, towel racks can accommodate everything from hand towels to bath towels, ensuring a tidy and efficient space. On the other hand, towel hooks are more versatile and can be mounted in various locations, such as on the back of a door or along the wall. They offer a convenient spot to hang towels, robes, or even accessories without the need for a lot of space. Hooks work well in smaller bathrooms or guest rooms where the available space is limited. When choosing between towel racks and hooks, consider the layout and size of your bathroom. A towel rack is great for organization and drying larger towels, while hooks are perfect for smaller items or for a minimalist touch. Together, they can elevate both the practicality and appearance of your bathroom. Shower caddies can help organize various toiletries such as soap, shampoo, conditioner, toothbrushes, and various other products. Typically made from waterproof materials such as stainless steel, plastic, or aluminum, shower caddies are designed to last even when exposed to high humidity in the bathroom. There are various models, from those that are hung on the wall, tucked in the corner of the bathroom, to those that can be placed on the floor or above the door. The main advantage of a shower caddy is its efficiency in optimizing limited bathroom space. By using a shower caddy, all your toiletries can be stored neatly and easily accessible, so you don't have to bother looking for things while showering. The compact design also gives the bathroom a more organized and clean appearance. Choose a shower caddy that suits your needs and bathroom size. Some models are equipped with additional shelves for large bottles or even a place to hang small towels. In addition, make sure the caddy you choose is easy to clean and strong enough to support your various toiletries. With a shower caddy, your bathing routine will feel more practical and fun. A vanity with built-in storage in the bathroom is a design solution that perfectly combines aesthetics and function. By featuring a cabinet that is integrated directly into the vanity design, this room not only looks tidier, but also provides extra space to store various bathroom necessities, such as towels, soap, and beauty products. This vanity comes in a variety of material choices, ranging from natural wood, which gives a warm impression, to modern materials such as marble or composites, which are more minimalist and elegant. The cabinet is designed with an efficient storage system, utilizing every corner of the space so you can organize things more easily. Some models even come with drawers in various sizes, allowing you to keep small items neat and organized. This modern and practical design not only helps maintain cleanliness, but also provides easy access to frequently used items. With built-in storage, the bathroom space feels more spacious and organized, making the experience of bathing or getting ready every day more comfortable and enjoyable. A vanity with built-in storage is not just a functional element, but also an important part of a stylish bathroom interior design, making it the perfect choice for those who want to combine beauty and comfort in every detail of their space. Behind-the-door storage is a smart solution for maximizing limited bathroom storage space. With a practical and efficient design, the storage provides additional space for items that don't want to be scattered on shelves or countertops. Imagine, behind the bathroom door, there are hidden shelves that can be used to store towels, toilet paper, body care products, or even household cleaning supplies. Equipped with an easy-to-access storage system, every item has its right place, making your bathroom more organized and free of clutter. With behind-the-door storage, you not only save space, but also increase comfort when using the bathroom. No need to worry anymore about scattered items, because every item will be neatly arranged behind the door, making your bathroom look spacious and orderly. This rolling storage cart is specifically designed to provide a practical and efficient storage solution in your bathroom. With a compact design and flexible function, this cart makes it easy for you to store various toiletries, such as towels, soap, toothbrushes, and other care products. Equipped with wheels that can be rotated 360 degrees, you can easily move it as needed, be it next to the sink, near the bathtub, or in the corner of the room. Small bathrooms often require clever storage solutions to maintain cleanliness and order. Using baskets and bins is a practical and efficient way to maximize limited space. Rattan or lightweight fabric baskets can be placed in corners or open shelves to store towels, toiletries, or personal care products. This basket is not only functional, but also provides a comfortable and natural aesthetic touch to your bathroom. Choose a basket of the appropriate size so that it looks neat without taking up too much space. To add a neat impression, also consider using a small basket-shaped organizer in a drawer or behind a door, which is ideal for storing small items such as toothbrushes, soap, and other beauty products. With the right baskets and bins, your small bathroom will feel more organized, comfortable, and ready to use at any time. In a small bathroom, space is often limited, and finding storage solutions that are both functional and stylish can be a challenge. Magnetic strips and pegboards are an innovative way to make the most of your bathroom's vertical space, offering both organization and easy access to everyday essentials. Magnetic strips, typically mounted on walls or cabinet doors, are a simple yet effective solution for small bathrooms. These strips can hold a variety of items such as tweezers, nail clippers, scissors, or even small metal containers. Their sleek and minimalist design helps to keep clutter at bay while ensuring that your bathroom accessories are always within arm's reach. By utilizing magnetic strips or pegboards, a small bathroom can be transformed into an organized, clutter-free space. These storage solutions not only save space, but also give the bathroom a chic, contemporary look, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Thank you for watching. Hopefully these 10 storage ideas for small bathrooms can provide inspiration to make your space tidier and more functional. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification button so you don't miss other interesting videos. If you have other unique storage ideas, write them in the comments column. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.